So this is my first potato harvest. It's in a 20-gallon bag. I have three other ones over there, or two other ones over there, but this one's the first one that's done. So we're gonna dig these out and see how many we get. Fingers crossed. Oh, we got potatoes. That's awesome. I love potatoes. I love harvesting potatoes. I think it's so cool. That's a good one. These are good ones. Jonathan's gonna be so happy. Oh, oh yeah! Look at that. That's so exciting. They're so pretty. Oh, well, that's awesome. I love this. This is so exciting. There's my good old seed. Oh, I didn't think any of them would come out. There's one. There's another. That's dirt. This is like the most excitement is whenever you get to pick everything that you grew. So exciting. They're little babies, but it's like digging for treasure. And that's how many potatoes I got in my first bin. Only two more to go. Follow for the next harvest.